Hey people, what's popping? Kilonshele, I'll give you a name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So as you guys already know, I'm currently in the village, but I'm on my way back to my base. Yeah, I'm on my way back to Owerri right now. I came to the village for 2 days. I came 2 days ago. My cousin's wedding was yesterday. That's his traditional Igbo wedding. And I'm going back to Owerri today. I have to go back today. Today is Sunday. And I actually love to go back tomorrow. But because of this sit-at-home thing that is happening in the East, you know, if I don't go today, I won't be able to go back tomorrow because tomorrow is sit-at-home. I'll have to stay until Tuesday. And I have clothes to sew. I have videos to edit and upload. And village network is so bad. And I know that I'm going to be so distracted in the village that I'll not even be able to edit. So that's why I'm leaving the village today. Anyways, you guys, you're welcome to another vlog. It's going to be fun as usual, so do well to stay glued. So you guys, can you see the state of this road? To say I was disappointed is a very big understatement. Like, I couldn't even get the coverage of these roads when I was going back to the village because we left for the village very late that day and it was already dark. But my body told me, you know that way that they talk, say your body go tell you. My body told me when we were on our way to the village, like, if not for the fact that it's one of my best cousins that was getting married, I would have said, oh my god, who even sent me come this village? The roads were so bad. At some point we almost fell off the keke, like the keke was even halfway. At some point you see that some vehicles were getting trapped on the roads. I don't know if there's anybody here that is close to the governor of Imo State. Please talk to him, or the government of Imo State, or whoever is in charge of all these roads, because the deplorable states of the roads in Imo State is something out of hand. Like, this Olu own is even better than my area in Owerri. I mean it is better than my area in Owerri. When I say this road is bad, I can confidently say that this road is even good compared to my area in Owerri. Yes, the roads are so bad and they're getting worse every time. These people will come and scatter this road, and at the end of the day they will not fix it immediately. They will leave it for months. Anyways, we got to Owerri at this point. See, this good road, this Amakohia Akwakuma road, I feel like it's the only good road in this Owerri. I feel like it's the only road that is still manageable, maybe Wedra Road. Most of the roads in Owerri are so bad. Anyways, by the time we got to Owerri, the clouds were very dark and we were very lucky that the rain did not meet us on the way because it was raining while we were still inside the bus. But by the time we got to Owerri, the rain had already stopped. At this point, we got back to our house. Thank you, Lord, for joining mercies. It was not easy. My people, happy Sunday. How are you guys doing? You guys should help me and be thanking God. Oh, you guys should help me and be thanking God. You guys won't believe what happened to me. Honestly, just help me and be praising God in heaven. So about 3 or 4 days ago, I was going to my friend's place. I had to go see my friend. Yeah, so I was going out and I was in a hurry. It was already 4 p.m. that day and it was about raining, so I just wanted to do fast and get there before the rain would start. And I wanted to take my bath and there was no time to boil hot water, so I was like, let me just use cold water because I've been using hot water since the rainy season. The rainy season came with a lot of cold this year, so I've been using hot water to try and be on the safe side. So I took my bath with the cold water. After taking my bath with the cold water, I stepped out, I entered bike and I was on my way out, and I started feeling a type of cold, like not normal cold, as if you're about to fall sick. I was like, hey, Dara, I beg, no sick again. the one where you sick last month, you never even reach 1 month sef, and you lost weight, you have not recovered from it, you have videos to edit, you have clothes to sew, you have a lot to do, you can't afford to fall sick this period. That was what I told myself on that bike. But as an adult, there are so many things that have changed in my life. When I was a kid, anytime I'm sick, I just want to be fine because I want to feel fine. I don't like the feeling of being sick. It's always so terrible. But as an adult, I don't want to be sick because I have so many things to meet up with and all of that. So I was just telling myself that please don't fall sick. So when I got to my friend's place, my friend saw my palm. I was like, your palms are pure white. That is not normal. That every human being's palms should have a trace of red. Like it should be kind of orangish or reddish. That why are my palms so white? That is not normal. Oh, go and get yourself checked. Oh, this one that you're saying that you're not feeling so well and all of that. Me, I was just like, it's nothing, and I was already feeling cold at that point. So I shall go back home. When I got back home that evening, I was down with terrible cold, and the last time I felt cold like that was in my SS3. That period I was sick and I was in my village health center and I was alone. Everybody in the house, like none of my family members were in the health center, and this cold started. I actually thought I was gone that day. I prayed all the prayers I know in my life. That day the nurse was with me. At some point she had to like inject something into the drip again to try and stop the cold. It did not stop. She now had to go and boil water in the kitchen of the health center. You know how village health centers are now. I'm so sorry about the reflection of the sun now. It will soon go. Anyways, she gave me warm water that day. It was after taking that warm water, after some minutes, I got myself. So that evening I was like, okay, let me take warm water. I got warm water, I took it did not still stop. I took my bath with hot water, it did not still stop. I was like, God, what is going on? And fear is a very, very big killer. Like when you're afraid, anything that is wrong with you will just keep on increasing. So I was already afraid, and the thing kept on, it refused to stop. So at some point a spirit entered me and I was like, I rebuke you this sickness, I rebuke you this cold. I was now praying, saying many prayers, telling God to have mercy on me and all of that. And my body started warming up. I took paracetamol actually, so my body started warming up, and I became better. But I was still feeling sick, I was still down. So the next morning I woke up, the cold was already gone. There was no heat, nothing. Just I was feeling headache somehow, and I was feeling weak, and I was telling myself that I have to go run some tests. I have to go get myself tested. That I'm not just going to let this one slide and all of that. And that day, that fever started. My stomach was behaving somehow. I was feeling some little ache on my stomach, but I just ignored it because the fever was stronger that evening. So I wrote a message to my subscriber that is a doctor, that please, I was down with fever yesterday evening and now I'm having a bit of stomach pain, that please can you recommend some tests for me to go for and all of that. That I will go for malaria and typhoid, but can you recommend some other tests and all of that. So I was still chatting with my subscriber, waiting for him to reply. So I went out with my sister. I edited that morning itself. I edited when I woke up the next morning. I was like, I beg, the fever don't go. Ma share this man post video. Like, can you imagine? So that was when I edited and posted that video about Igbo village mansions. So if you have not seen that video, please go watch the video. Go catch up. You want to go, yeah. So as I was saying, back to the topic of discussion, yeah. So as I was saying, after editing that video, I followed my sister out. She wanted to go get some things, so I followed her. So as we were at the shop, the stomach pain was now increasing. So I was not like, my stomach is really disturbing me, that please, when we are done with this shop, let's go to a pharmacy so that I can get Flagyl and all of that. So the lady at the shop where we went to was now like, your stomach is disturbing you, when last did you treat worm? And I said, it's true, there is over a year since I treated worm, that my mom has even been convincing me to treat worm since. That is true, that this thing is worm. Hey, then why didn't I treat this thing since? Do you guys know that that's how we went to pharmacy? We bought one medicine. After buying the one medicine, Chicken Republic was opposite the place we went to. We're like, let's enter Chicken Republic. Someone that was having stomach pain, we bought chicken and chips. My sister even got salad, although I refused to take the salad. She got salad. We now bought Coke. We came back home. After eating my chicken and chips, I was like, Uche, please give me your Coke. Let me sip small. I don't want to open my own. I'll not be able to finish everything. Let me just take small. I want to quench the thirst. So I took some little gulps. The stomach pain now kept on intensifying. It was not intensifying, something that and it was coming like contractions. It will come, it will hook me, to pain me so well, then it will stop. after like 20 minutes or 30 minutes to come back. But after taking that coke, the intensity now increased. It was not like every 5 minutes to come, it will hook me, to come, it will hook me. So I shall forced myself to sleep. By the time I woke up from sleep, this thing was now very, very, very serious. Like when it hooks me, I'll just be like this. Jesus, Jesus, have mercy on me. I was just like, Jesus, have mercy on me, have mercy on me. Oh my God. My subscriber now called me at that point. We're not talking. He was not like, I'm not sounding well, but from everything I'm saying, that this thing is not warm, that this is most likely food poisoning. Then Uche was talking to another of her friends that is a doctor. So that one was not like, food poisoning is a case. I mean, food poisoning is possible, but it may also be gastritis. And my subscriber agreed that it may be gastritis, that maybe I ate something that my body does not like and my body is reacting to it and all of that. So they start asking, do you have flagellatum? No. Do you have this one? No. Do you... Everything they asked about, we did not have anyone. And before I was already talking to that my subscriber, before I spoke to my subscriber, I even jumped this part. Before I spoke to him, I already did this thing. I already drank my coke. My sister was like, in fact, take this one medicine. This thing is now serious. Take this one medicine. So my coke, 60 cl coke, I drank almost everything, because in Nigeria we have this belief, most people, that before you take one medicine, you have to take something sweet so that it will wake the worms in your stomach up. Then you now take the one medicine. So I drank the coke. After drinking the coke, and I took the one medicine. Oh, it was that time that Shege started. God, you guys, I'm laughing now because this thing has stopped, but honestly, I thought I was a goner that night. I was just like, Jesus, please just take me through the night. Please just sustain me until in the morning so that I can go to the hospital, because it was already late that night. And you know how Nigeria is, like going to a hospital late in the night and things related to stomach ache. I was just scared. My sister was like, Chidera, you're scaring me. Chidera. She even called my mom. I was not like, don't tell her anything about my health. It's late in the night. Don't tell her anything about my health before it will affect her own health and all of that. So by the next morning, my subscriber was like, okay, since you don't have anything at home, sleep on your stomach. Like fold your pillow into two and sleep on your stomach. If any emergency occurs in the night, if this thing becomes unbearable, call me, and I'm going to call my doctor friend in Nigeria so that we can see what we'll do about it. Like, oh my God, some human beings are just God sent. Like, thank you so much. I know you're watching this video now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Like, I don't take this thing for granted. You helped me in a time of great need. So after everything, by the next morning, the intensity reduced a bit, but it was still hooking me and all of that. So they recommended some medication. My sister ran out, got the medication. I ate, I took the medication, but my subscriber was like, I have to go for some tests. Yes, I have to run some tests to know the exact thing wrong with me, and that possible case may be ulcer. So I have to run some tests and know the exact thing that caused that stomach pain. This stomach disturbed me for like 2 days. So just that night was the worst. I was so scared that night. Anyways, I went for some tests yesterday. I'm still waiting for the results. Yeah, all the results could not come out yesterday, so I just decided to just quickly leave everything until Tuesday. I was supposed to go tomorrow, Monday, to get the results, but because of this sit-at-home thing in the east, I will just end up going tomorrow. But I just hope you guys learned a lesson or two from this thing I just narrated. Like, self-medication is so bad. Self-medication is a killer. Speak to a doctor first, even if they can't examine you at that moment because of how urgent everything is. Even if they can't examine you, they can tell you some things that you can take that will cool that thing down until you can go for some tests and something. Self-medication is very bad, and it's not good to ignore things, and also it's not good to eat anyhow. Like that night I kept on blaming myself that I'd been eating anyhow. I'd been eating anything I see, anything goes, and I'll just be eating anything in between meals. You're not even supposed to eat anyhow in between meals. If you're eating in between meals, maybe it can be fruits or healthy things, not eating anyhow. And I've been starving myself a lot. I'm not going to lie, I've been starving myself a lot. Sometimes because I have videos to edit or because I have clothes to sew, I will not eat, or if I'm going to eat, I'll just take cornflakes or golden morn, and it's not good because I have an irritable stomach. Anyways, I thank God for everything. I thank God for my life. I thank God that I'm alive today. today, and if you are healthy, you don't know what God has done for you. If you wake up in the morning, you don't know what God has done for you until when something happens to you that you actually think that you're almost gone. That's when you actually know what God has done for you. So you guys should just help me and be thanking God. I'm going to try my best and post this video today and all of that. I just decided to narrate this story to teach people a crucial lesson and all of that. Anyways, I'm back from the village. I hope you guys enjoyed my village vlogs. I couldn't vlog so much because this time of the year is not a bubbly time in the village, so there are not many fun things happening in the village, so I just vlogged anything possible. Anyways, we're back to the city. You guys should stay glued to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. A lot of fun content is coming up in Watago. And please give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a kind comment, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site in Watago, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. For now, bye, kiss, love you.